In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share photos with Google Drive. First, let's get your photos into Drive. Open Google Drive and make sure you're signed in to your account. Look for the plus new button, usually near the top left. Click it, then choose File Upload. A window will appear so you can browse to your photos. Select the images you want, one or many, and confirm to start the upload. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it finishes, your photos will appear in your Drive with thumbnails and file names. If you're uploading a lot of large images, give it a moment and keep your connection steady. That way, everything lands safely and in order. Next, organize your images so they're easier to manage and share. Create a folder in Drive, give it a clear, memorable name, and move your uploaded photos into it. Grouping by trip, event, date, or client makes life much simpler later. You can drag the files into the folder or use the Move option to place them precisely where they belong. Keeping related images together means that when it's time to share, you can send a single link to the whole collection rather than attaching files one by one. When you're ready to share, decide whether you want to share an individual photo or the entire folder. On a computer, right-click the file or folder. On a phone or tablet, long press. Choose Share if you want to invite specific people by email, or choose Copy Link if you prefer to send a link in a message, group chat, or document. If you need anyone with the link to be able to open it, like for a broader audience, adjust the permission to Anyone with the link. For most situations, viewer access is best, so others can see the photos without making changes. After you set the permission, copy the link and paste it wherever you need to send it. If you shared a folder, everything inside that folder will be accessible under the same settings, and anything you add later will inherit those permissions automatically. That's all there is to it. Upload your photos with New, File Upload, organize them into clearly named folders, and share by right-clicking or long pressing to select Share or Copy Link, making sure the permission is set to anyone with the link if you want broad access. With these steps, your photos are backed up, tidy, and ready to share in just a few clicks.